Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a veggie chipotle pasta that I'm going to share with you. It's very delicious and it's great for when you're fasting or if you're a vegetarian. And of course, if you're vegan, you can use vegan ingredients to switch out for your regular ingredients. So let's get started with this. We're starting in our saute pan with oil. I like using the avocado oil. It's very healthy. In goes chopped onion. And we're going to saute that until it turns translucent. I like to bring out the flavor in the onion, and then I'll go in with some minced garlic. I add the garlic after because I don't want it to burn. We want to cook this for about a minute until it turns fragrant and tender. Now I'm going in with chopped bell peppers and a few sprigs of thyme. Now I'm going to season this with some complete seasoning. So I'm not adding any salt. I'm using this complete seasoning as my salt element. Plus it has other herbs in there. So we're going to just give this a mix. And now I'm going to add in my chopped mushrooms. Now if you guys wanted to add some sauteed chicken, or if you had leftover rotisserie chicken, or you want to cook some shrimp on the side and serve it with this, of course you can do that. I'm making a well in the center of my skillet, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of chipotle in adobo. You want to add about 2 or 3 of the peppers along with some of the sauce. So this is what the can would look like. And I'm just going to start breaking up the peppers. And then we'll start mixing that into the mushrooms and the veggies. This pepper has a smoky and a little potency of heat. If you guys didn't want it too spicy and the kids have to eat, I would suggest using less. Taste and adjust. But I like it really spicy, so I add extra. So now, once that's been cooked out for about 5 minutes, you're going to go in with your pasta. I cook the pasta shy of al dente, and I'm adding in some chopped spinach, or you can use bhagi in here if you have that, or also known as dasheen bush. The pasta, guys, make sure you don't overcook it, because when you put in the heavy cream, it's going to continue to cook. So you want to always cook it shy. Next goes in my parmesan cheese. If you don't have parmesan, you can use any type of cheese you would like. And if you're vegan, you use your vegan options for the heavy cream and for the cheese. Give that a good mix. The spinach is going to wilt down. This is full with so much flavor, but I'm going to add some more by adding some garlic and herb seasoning just to take it over the top. It's going to be really delicious. Just give this a mix. You would see the pasta is continuing to cook. And it's just going to take about 2 more minutes after you add in those seasonings, and then this would be ready to be served. You can add more cheese if you like. Make it as cheesy as you would like. And all I have to do now is garnish with some extra parmesan cheese and some chopped parsley. How easy, simple, and delicious was this? So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, comment down below and let me know. If you are on Instagram, tag me on your story so that I can repost it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Do continue to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.